Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This video is about dry hop amount. All the information in this video is from Scott Janis's book, The New IPA. I really recommend that book. It's research based and it's just a great place to learn more about hops, dry hopping and stuff like that. And this is about the dry hop amount. The first thing that's important to say that the amount of dry hops and the extraction of hop oils is not linear. You'll have the highest extraction of hop oils with a lower dry hop amount. So 2 to 4 grams per liter, which is roughly about 1.3 ounces per 5 gallon. That's where you have the highest extraction of hop oils. After that, it will start to flatten up to about 8 grams per liter or 1.1 ounce per gallon. And after that, it's almost flat. So up to 10 ounces per gallon, or per 5 gallon, it won't really give you any more flavors. And that's why the general rule of thumb in brewing is do not dry hop with more than 8 grams per liter or this 1.1 ounce per gallon, because it doesn't impart more flavors. But the herbal and tea characters, they actually increase linear. And what can we learn from this? Well, if you want a really tropical beer, the first thing is you shouldn't dry hop for more than 3 days or even shorter, and maybe do a lot of dry hops with less hops. So about 2 ounces per 5 gallon. If you do that 3 times with just about 4 to 8 hours in between, because the linalool and myrcene will actually extract almost after 4 hours, up to 24 hours. So if you dry hop every 4 hours with about 2 ounces per 5 gallon, you should get a fruit bomb, and then let them sit for no longer than 24 to 48 hours, just to make sure we don't extract all the herbal and tea characters. So that's something to play around with. But as I said, the conclusion of this is don't dry hop with more than 8 grams per liter or 1.1 ounce per gallon. If you want to see more about dry hop time, you can find the video somewhere around here. And also remember, subscribe to the channel. That will make me really, really happy. And then just have a happy brewing out there.